I beg as you dey come live, just press as you dey join me, just press your share button, please.
Hail, hail, hail the Kumkumasa, we the Cameroonians, we pledge our loyalty. Kumkumasa, Kumkumasa, you shall free our country from terror, and your blessing shall be like the stars above. The Most High God shall be your guide.
Yeah, thank you very much, my country people. As you know, I beg where you come share for your WhatsApp group, them share for your Facebook page, share for every place you share, please. I beg would be very, very important. Yeah, very, very important. Yeah. Okay. Today I come for do Operation Sunshine for talk with some people. Then may una understand which way they happen. Yeah. So sorry about that, please. So I salute on our country people. I can't do Operation Sunshine precisely for Boa Bakundu, for save my people, for Boa Bakundu today, from against this Amazonian madness, terrorism. Yeah. I get someone today at the camp for Sunshine. His name na Ebong Emmanuel Song. Yes. Ebong Emmanuel Song. Yeah. So as una know, this very man, it is not one of the highest supporter for Ikeku. We eat precisely for Boa Bakundu. And this very man, una take note. This very man, as I dey talk now, so Cameroon military need to go for that place as I dey talk. May they take note. This very man, this Emmanuel man, now Mawe, he store, it is here, opposite government school for Boa Bakundu, directly opposite. As you stand so that for back directly, that blockers for day. Where you don't turn into bar, where he the ban, the person will get that ban na chebos, na house, where the thief man, the fool, the terrorists, where he feels he don't take an advantage of the struggle, they can make their money. Yes, they can make their money. Now this very man where they talk for you, so this very Emmanuel man, where are they talk for now today, where are they call him name for inside Boa Bakundu. This man, na the highest man, where any people who don't die for inside Boa Bakundu say black leg, na this man. Listen very well. Any man where he don't die for inside Boa Bakundu, Bombanda, Bumbele, Kumu, all along that area them. All na this very Emmanuel man. This very Emmanuel man, or when they drive any man say black leg, they go take a butch. When you look and say you buy the progress, you get your farms them, you get your crop them, at least you don't grow for life some more. You go plot, we Ikeku, we amber them, say so this man a black leg. Because no say black leg, na for Jogo kill him. The man go run live property them. Le highway na never the controller man he had to into the store. That place for day so wait to into bar. All that bars on amber the camp for day. I want to take Cameroon military where go for that bar. Una need to close that bar with immediate effect. And then any two days at that bar, una dash up for villagers that they are sweat. Any human being on top of that bar, shoot them na amber. Any human being, a man or woman or girl na amber, na shoot them. Yes, I want to tell una say no. All una support them, but not una be worst past the boys them. Ma tell una mona here fine, una listing. And when una dead on his eyes reach, we put una hand to check. Amber boy on better. You no get a problem. You where you commit that act, you where the sinner brother they made go die, you know now the profit, now they chop all the money them will suffer. But they die every night, they make una money. Now na so na go pepe. You know say life na true. You know say life na true. I need to joke with some man. This very man, that way inside, that way I will be there alive around that 218. Where AJ become attack we for inside Boa Bakundu. We okay close to 5 AJF fighter the winner between Ribbons and AJF. At that I will be alive. Sagat, where you go today, Sagat died for Boa Bakundu. That very general Evis died. When I still the man him up, the very imam man, I still work other work them. You hear to I tell now. Now wait that way day. Pin code, general pin code where be there for Boa Bakundu. Where it be the control from Bombanda, so for Boa. Where it could be put where it chops more 100, 200, 300,000 for global tax. where they don't make global tax. Say for cocoa buyer them. Any way na cocoa buyer may it give money 200,000 to buy cocoa. That's why we did all the check how many buyer there for the. Now this man is spearhead control. That way that boy chop that money. Ike could say some go kill that petit frère. He run for life. I see here the information. He run. But Ike could favor understand. Say you the thief man, you the terrorist, you the idiot, you the born armed robber. You favor no say don't chop more than 30 million. All about the people don't chop all the money then. So man don't kill you. Because of so you get greedy mind, because of you thief man, because you selfish man, you get self-centered. We don't take a whole this trouble, take a make with money. But one time I say, oh, I support Ikeku, now go yeah, now go see fire. As I tell you, as I need to joke with some man. As I talk now, make the military go directly for that place. Make they shut down that store. And me I tell that man, if you know say be man picking, I give you 24 hours, lock that store. Or you will meet up you. The girlfriend and some tall girlfriend in over tall, you should get skinny black. Yes. I want to know my country people then. I need the picture. It is very important. I need the picture. Yes. That's unfortunately that my phone abuse and that time for that picture. I take a picture. I be don't delete that picture. But I know I will get them. My number there for you. I will give them my number. If you get a picture, send them for me. Send them for me. We need for use them. That name already be for police station for all. And also you want come for Kumba. You pass through Monte Carlo. I mean sorry. You pass through this Sustainer Street where you come Kake for Bongbongwana. That street for those who back to GSS Kake. Now for that road you pass go boss Okumba. And also go pass and take note and lock that road. Now road that people they use away also don't know their name them. And then they play now. Sector road they go now they pass for this Presbyterian church for my one. When I pass through that street of Oakland and so for down here Obama Street. No, who pass who enter Kumba. Military, take note. I have to save my people that life for Baba Kundu. Any people that for Baba Kundu might tell una they suffer today now because of that man. But una no fit know. Una no fit know. Una they die today now because of that man. They kill us in a black because of that man. When they hear say don't prosper, they call say the man a black leg. For no good reason you run. Other Bamileke Bush and all. Una listen very well. The one una don't buy that bush of Bamileke. I swear to God, una go yeah. Because none I terrorize, none I support the terrorism. And I want to tell you, Mr. Emma, I tell you, if you know so you like Amber struggle, go carry gun enter for bush. It's very simple. Any man when you support Amber, you know so you like the struggle, I tell you, go carry gun enter for bush. Yes, not the support, you make benefit, you the chop, people they die every day. It will never happen. People they die every day. It no go happen for marriage. Not one day. It no go happen. All na go down. And then they beg some man. And then they beg you. Una be worse more than that boy there. When I say brother, they go die every day. One make profit. We cake una make una life. That bad is una Amber banner. When they go Amber they can't enjoy when they kidnap people them. Right for Ediki Balangi. Ma tell una from Ediki Balangi here. Sote for Kumba. They enter life for Baba Kuna. They go enjoy their life. Other small girl for they can enjoy their life with them. When they go kidnap team money because they say they keep in inside bush, they don't come for Baba Kundo. If you say the Baba Kundo, be safe for them for enter, for they should not be enjoy their life. If they for this so man, let them enjoy. Now they are bad at. That they are bad at. Any human being at 10 minutes, that bar need to go down. Now money has that. The man don't drive say black leg. They don't follow for killing. The season. They take and turn into the Amber business. And other people for they wanna move on, wanna cover that they make a drink. Make a drink. Now keep them in the drink. I say my people they must be safe. Oh nah, they go safe. Una they die today for Bua Bakundu now because of that man here at Ikeku. Yes. Now why that what I'm tell una me una know. You will get a picture. I need the picture. Yeah, because this struggle find a picture. I go check them my phone for struggle move on. But if you get a picture for help me, I need the picture. My number there for the plan. I will see you now. My number now 681 60 26 76 681 60 26 76 681 60 26 76. It's there for WhatsApp. If you message me anytime, any site, I go get them. I need that man in the picture. Be very, very important. My names and that all I don't give una. Yes, I don't give una. Me una hear a name. I wanna want my spell the name for una. I go see spell the name for una. For my way knows what I figure out for some play where you need that. They're born a BANGHA. Why the Emmanuel na EMANUEL. The song SONG. Now I name that. Then in bracket I get Alex Emma, my nickname. Yes. So I don't tell now. If I need a picture very urgent, I need them. If you, I know some people they do now send up for me now, so all them they must go down. All now, I'm a warning here, fine. My warning for everybody. Any person we don't take black leg in bush. You use advantage of the struggle, say black leg. Don't take their bush, the chop. They suffer. They're picking, they die every day. For one for chop no day, you know go water. Oh, now be very stupid because my people don't understand. Different people they go take the bush and go buy them. I'm saying they buy them for amber. Pay money, buy and take as they go on there. And look how dull and wicked will be. We never get country for the buy people that access them, buy their property, they when they see they alive. For not just cause a black leg, where to be crime. You know if you know where to be crime. Because you get your own opinion, you know have to accept your own opinion. Because the black leg go carry gun. Because if you say shoot, you know they. Yes, you know they. People they get mind pass but me, I don't care for no any man. The nonsense not too much. Now why that I just support to do me as a small light video, job post and bet. I just look and say I get something plenty for tell una. I just come like my talk una. Yes. It be very important. All una don't buy people that bush them, people that property them because of the name of struggle. I don't know one similar thing, they go die every night, food them because they make una money. You hear? They go see my BB hectare bush more than bush will give me almost 300-400 back cocoa, 500 back cocoa. You go meet to Amber, you count 2 million, you give because after the big all una go down. That's why I don't talk. All una go down. So I type on a very much my country people then. And then I want to just make this one, maybe Amber boy to understand. Listen and listen good. Amazonian fighters and Congress. Let me educate you and put something on your score. Me I put something on a brain because business on the head don't do the boss na boss for inside. Based on that cocaine, that's the place on the brain. No why. No wicked. No wicked people they banter pass that kind of nonsense. Me I'm not an enemy. Anybody that say black leg, no be your enemy. No your best friend. No your best friend. No, your best friend. Yes. You know why? Your worst enemy, Ground Zero fighters, Amazonian boys, una worst enemy that there for diaspora. Eric Tato, Tapam Ivo, Ekomesako, Chris Anu, Ebenezer Kwanka, Capo Daniel, Yungo Sifu, all that thief them. They una worst enemy because they don't scam una. They don't fool una. Muna go die. Guna them go muna go die. Una die every day. They fool una fake promises away. No one will ever come to pass when you go get sense. Because that small 10 francs you take a black leg, say do and. You take a big chop. Enjoy as people they die every day. You know go. Man tell now. Best way the question say black leg no be your enemy. Man make me know say no. The day when you kill one man, you talk say na black leg. That day you don't increase 1,000 black leg again. The day when you hurt some man, say na black leg, you don't increase 500 black leg. When me say every day when you kill one black leg, you don't times hundreds. Now what do you say? I'm saying, una over dull and stupid because una be poorly educated and then una not get focus of reasoning. You start killing people saying na black leg from 2017 to today. How many years? It don't give you independence? No. It don't change the struggle for some play way? No. Always you keep on killing people. Now they like that. What that person be na your own. But when you see that you go wrong, but you kill a person. Is that normal, my people? That is the highest madness. Yes, highest madness. Yeah, highest madness. That's the highest madness. For 4 years, I kill your own people like chicken. Because you want to get money. Because you want to get my brothers wait to the wrong way. Black legs and they be an enemy. They be the best people. Because according to say black leg, why they accept the name say black leg? Even me, I be on a border. You say don't leave the struggle, don't turn black leg. Yes, I accept to be a black leg. Because I better pass down at people them. The highest black leg, we're supposed to call them. We're the baddest people, they're supposed to kill them all. Now people them with the diaspora are supposed to follow them. No people they help now. No any person can talk the truth. I don't turn and say, use your brain, no use your emotion. Think before you act. Think before you act. The people are too much dull. Because of certain things una check una head. Check your sense. Can go to die. Person will die one again. Can go get crazy over there. That. Because of door where it door. May I just digress more for the point. can go where they call say with Tikibalang say the arrest they kill him and tell una something. Me una countryman junior. Sometimes I go there today for that to happen before Bakundu I for don't die. Because Ike kuna the baddest man, all these guys are very bad people. They go act. They say that picking them from front. Right from Opopo, all not the same. They can empty mob. That's why they can make on social media so post gun them, can't talk. Na thief. No day. Their power end for civilian because they make money. You don't hear? No day. No fear, no man. If you the day minutes for cancer, they go meet them. When they see one ambulance, they go run sote. But the yes civilian they can't make no na kill the fear. Una ho Ike ku naka kia. Because I don't decide what I want to help una say. It be who? It pass una. Una holy wake up una holy na naka and naka and kill. Throw the monkey for some side. He can make him money use to make money. Now una stupid and dumb. It pass who? If you see how many people they hopeless they rally up. You fear you die. You stay with Amber, you go die. Because they will make you enter to back to start bullet will carry you. Straight will carry you. They will catch you. So I mean say you get the power to save your life or you die. You go know for the country whether Ambazonian or na Cameroon go get the country. Make any man now. You, Mr. Emma, you Emma, try am. Just test and make some small thing. You go know whether na Amber get the country or na Cameroon government. I go know. The time don't reach. Look me fine. And you put my face, put my name. I know the peer no doc. Not dog. Not different nonsense. Now what kind of rubbish is? Because of greediness. They make una money, people they die every day. The time don't reach, The time don't reach. Oh, now will come after. Oh, now hope you now hear that warning. Any man, any human being, for example, human being for the ground, for this southern Cameroon, where you own any property, we don't take her for the struggle. We don't get 50. You know, get no document, legal document for Cameroon government, sign and stamp by the GO of that subdivision, by the chief for that place, that village. Forget about it, somebody go put them, did that people they work for them. By the chief, you know, they stamp, GO no stamp. For the region, GO no stamp. My brother, you go down. I know all now. All who don't surrender, know now. All any property. When I don't take them for this struggle, use the part of this struggle, and I take them here, find any human being where it hold any Bamileke bush. Where it, if you walk and I walk out, don't walk for the bush and walk. You go down. Listen good. We know one the Amber boy themselves will come now after una. Now una turn this now. Before we check about them. Why they say they come up because understand saying una use them make una money. They die every day. People can see 5 francs. But not very immature kind millions. All Bamileke bush and I go fit for Babakundu. You know how many millions you for one day, for 1 month? All that all black people to I say the progress they take your bush. Cutting from Boabaku, for Bumbele, Bubanda, all that side all. Enter again for Chikona for Bekondo. This is control. It control global tax. It control global tax. Any buyer one buy cocoa make it 200,000 global tax. Oh na anona. Even the other man will begin to drive mayor for Mbonge. The foolish man they will warn him. You don't drive mayor of Mbonge, no fine. Yeah, you there. Ekombe. It is the other side who saw me. Yeah, that black boy. You don't drive Joe from Mbonge. I mean, mayor from Mbonge. From mayor from Mbonge, don't drive mayor from Mbonge sometimes. You don't use this to take and make money to. Now, one people control global tax. Say Amber global tax for Cocoa buyer them. Checking them take their money. They chop them. One man at 200,000. Check see how many who buy they for that cocoa. Where they buy cocoa. The people 200,000. They make how much? When people understand that inflict on their own people, then that small poor farmer and they struggle for so many they get their money for buy their bush for their small farm family. When I go take money, make them, they suffer for if you get one for chop no way because when I make una money, we not get time. People not getting time, no conscience, nothing because they make their money. We not get time. People they die every day. I don't talk say no way. What I be who? What I be government worker? You just chop for this struggle now. You go down. I need to beg you. I need to beg you. I need to fear no human being is a human being. Look me fine. I need to fear no human being. What I don't sell for my age. For my age. What in me I don't sell my 2 eye. What I don't experience for my 2 eye. I don't see to my feet threatening me. No, I die. The way if you threaten me, I die. What the worst part, what I don't sell my eye for my age. You know what I don't pass through for my age. So now those kind of talk for clothing. Think. So I don't sell for my age. What I don't pass through. My brother. You know easy. Never more for talk and not easy. So I don't get not at the fear again. I don't see die tire. I don't be for die and look. I'm not even tell una ya. So I know what I always say. I just my talk una. Mona understand. I already give my warning. Yes, I already give my warning for una. any human being wey resemble human being wey you know what many pikin dey save their life, e go down. These stupid Amber boys dem, I wan ask una something. Since the time we start fight this struggle, all your children don be house dem, they get bank account. And I hear the other time America don be house dem all, they get bank account dem, e don high, money dey. Wetin una don gain am? Nothing. You dey only work out with them. As stupid as you dull, you be brainwash. You carry that damn gun. So one day do as stupid as we gun. He load gun, he put am for under a belly one lane. Gun explode, boom, all inside belly, it died just like that. You see how they begin, they lost their life because they be poorly educated. They don't even know for use even the weapon when they hold on for their hand. See that poor pikin don't die, so the mommy don't lose this. He don't lose this. That one the husband, that pikin be safe. How una stupid and dull because of selfish interest. Because generally keep una leave them and go. I don't tell una say if you want surrender, listen good. If you want surrender, you don't need to tell your next brother. You don't need because so Amber no girlfriend. Come on, you where don't come out and call you for I don't come out to you help me come. That's what they map day. You know, tell normal, you work out them. Now, if you go mission, so you just divert the road, you change. The while yesterday was some kind of place. Go for any place, any chief, any elder person, any church. Tell if you go military camp, tell them say, Papa, or uncle, or pastor, or brother. As you see me so, I be Amber. I don't tire. I don't want to fight again. I want peace. I don't want to go for military camp directly because of the fear. They go take you. He get a right for go for any military camp or pass direct for Dio. He go meet up Dio. Dio then have to work for you. Listen good. Now make una understand. The Dio, the SDO, the governors, the minister, they are working for the people. Now we put them for that place. You get all right for go meet up with them, say you want this thing to do for you. Now you're right. You don't know you're right. Now what else it's not funny. That Geo there for that place. No fi say like Papa put it for that place. No. It there for them to serve the people. It be a servant for the people. It be a servant for the people because it is solve their problem. Meet up any Geo, any person, any chief. It will help you. No need to fear them. Go directly say, I want to talk with Geo. If the person will stop you for that gate, or some policeman will stop you, push a policeman, enter power, that's what I talk with that Joe. Now you're right. When he stop you, enter power, so what I talk with the door. Shout! Maybe here for upstairs, we're ready for upstairs. Anyone want to stop for no see, holla and holla self. Now you're right. So you want to talk with you because it be important. You meet up with Joe, you talk for you, so you get some Amber boy, we don't give up. It there for your ass. You want to say, may save your life. He go send you people, they will go take the bikini, he save your life. No bikini make you go see military man. If you say waiting. Government now for the people and for the people and to the people. All of us are government. You get your right. No need to fear no man. What I wish, what I can go. No need to fear. You forgive and respect. Respect your leaders. Respect your administrators. But you don't need to fear them. Because if you fear them, you will suffer. And the country will suffer. You need to take them like your best friend. Meet up them when you get a problem. They will attend to you. They are not your enemy. They are your friends. They are your brother. They are everything. So please, go meet up them Amber boys. I don't tell you now. And when any person Amber man call you now, listen good. When I was did the accent of Bamenda of Boyaya, they tell you now. When tell you what surrender, say me you come. You want to see you tell you you come. Tell you come. Play where you dey safe. If you go come, you connect it, you go save your life. All I don't come up pass. When one say that you only come for battlefield, may come for fee, can take it. Tell you can you. When no one for come and live, this is not choice. No ever better can a risk. That's not happen for man. No better can risk. And make person no get no assignment because you want make one Amber boy may save your life. You want get the credit. Say hey, I don't take the way person. I don't bring you may save your life. No ever try am. No ever try am because you want gain some ride. No. We need to even talk. People don't move and plenty, but who need to talk? That's on yes. If you don't bring one Amber boy, good for you. Thank God for you because don't help so one soul. And if you got I don't move 10 Amber boys, 16 Amber boys for bull. I don't say no. Nobody can say proud of them. Yes, not in a proudness. What you are doing, you don't do it for Cameroon government. You need to save your brother alive. Listen and listen good. Share the message. You don't save your brother alive. You never save President Paul alive. You don't save your brother alive. You don't save your community for Abazona terrorism because when you save it, some people don't save. When you save one Amber boy, you know how many civilians don't save their life? Because tomorrow you go turn one cat Tramadol. That Tramadol turned around that last yesterday. One that tablet at 1,000. It work for side. It must go kidnap. To drink one that tablet. One drink now 5, one that cat will be almost 13 or massive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 20 for one cat. It take a hospital group now more. 20,000 for one time. He go see drink again for evening. Wey me say for one day, he spend like 40,000 for take that tramadol. He never smoke banger. He never take car. You never take cigar. He never drink whiskey. He never chop. Wey him or kidnap you for get that money. That's what the thing dey. I una know they go say that thing. The man tell una something. All the people they carry solar bulb. They say they go to the village side. So una look on very bad people them. Very bad people. They get that tramadol them. I don't tell us no man work again get for bush road. Other bush I don't tell una lock am. You can't for matter. Many chickens about beef ram at all. When you enter Major Guild 1, when you enter Kosala, GBHS Kosala, you enter that fast, go fast, they go boss for Matadero and the pass. You take Presbyterian Church from Gonkwata, for Kosala, around Kosala 3, that side. You enter from Gonkwata, go Kosala 6. So road to Presbyterian Church, and then they pass through. There's some camp, there for Apollonia Street, because say mother water, now for every thief boy. That's the company. Even mommy call me, say, if picking been and I say, no, go report for government. No man don't call me. You go your right for go for government, go air out your mind, your problem. I don't already do my work. Go meet up them, tell them, say, you know, be this, that, you explain. They no kill you, they never kill me. They kill, or they never kill others, they say, you never kill no man. Go talk somewhere, now they can't explain, they will leave you, you feel afraid, they never kill you, they know prison you. Go kill yourself, no man will send you to prison. And when any man, go kill yourself for any person, any administrator, he take you, you go surrender yourself, so well, be sorry to do he lock you, make a more know. One a Dio, one a bushman, one a commissioner, we do that nonsense go down. And anybody ask you 50 francs for take him because of say you can't surrender yourself for you, you make him oh no. He go pay for you. Not bribing. Would not make plenty people they go enter the nonsense say they go fight. Any person, any Dio, any man will try to bribe. One a commissioner, one a bushman, one a colonel. It just make you bribe for come up for that place. You make him oh no. Yes, when I get one number, even your family person just contact with for back. I go give me the joint name, the Wishman name for year with the platform. I will send him. He go be arrested and he go be detained and I go punish you for that. That is simple to therefore fix our country. We not fix our country when we gone. Now whether we and the police are be very sorry. They will fix our country will be a better place. More they tell una no. Any man wey go surrender and say we don't call your name, where he be guilty and he no fine, you go get yourself a police station or gendarmerie or army camp. They ask you 5 francs, don't make a more no. No give no 50. Surrender yourself for them. They'll give you amnesty. But you get 2 choices. Either go surrender for them or enter for bush, but go carry the gun. You go be the really amber. But if you say support amber, you know go. You bad pass the amber. The truth that don't tell you. We understand and we know. We must fix our country. We can make our country a better place. Not by fighting with cutlass violence. Violence is soft, no nothing. More forget about it. They already fail for life. There is 6 the government recognize them, they give them position. Because in a political something they fight for. But that time don't fail, they don't fail. And hey, no one surrender and say una go die for that bush one day. Una go die for that bush. And I simply no man remember una. So mommy, papa, my people, them, my country people, them, at the camp for una beloved son, who can tell her the simple truth way. Una must know una right. You must know your right. If you don't know your right, you will suffer. You must know your right. And they say tell una, make person not be excited. For go take amber for bush. Because that's what they do now. Because they already fail. Amber don't die. Because say, well, come, papa. We want surrender. They will fight for you. Can't take we. No go. Tell you say no may remain for day. You need to beg in your life. Not in your life. If you no one can surrender, I don't give you the map for surrender. When we say pass you the fear, my number therefore I don't give you say 681 60 26 76. I get number therefore can't deal them. May they contact me. They call me. They am verify. Whether you call me, if you do, I'm on no because no audio that name them. I go verify no. That time you say if I go fit call you, connect you. We go come up peacefully. No man no go worry you. We therefore out and save on our life. We put a number of platform and I will say, oh, if help on for some kind of emergency. Not call me because you want me to make friends that. We get emergency, somebody can't die. We need help. You can message me for help the situation. We can help. We are there to help people. We are there to save people life. Never kill them. Now I work that. Now I work that I decide for do them. Nobody need to pay me. I do it out of my own willingness because of the love I get for now. And I believe in my own way that for sure now. For my own way I feel help to solve the problem. And I thank God to the place of what they listen for, they come out every day for bush. But I thought it not been a pride. We save amber boy, no been a pride. Disarmament, no been a money making. If you take us a money making, concern are you? Because I never see no money. I never see no money. Save your body alive. Save your community life. The government, the pamper on a small, the amber boy, because waiting. He knows say over lost you them. Who need to back for the society, more come, may we struggle to build our country, we make them a better place. We can still go back for school, do many jobs and many things to better our future. Yes, our country need we more come back home. Please, more come back home, my brothers. May all will stop the nonsense. We don't hear how they work this in them. May all will stop the nonsense. We say we don't take this job, they can make money. I don't tell them, I say no go. Any person, any government man, any military man, I say tell una again, where he hold you, he asks 50 francs for you, just message me. Message any person, even your cousin, any person may message we dey honor will save their life. You no get no right for take you 50. No right will take you 50. But when they catch you, when you not surrender yourself, that one concern that you man another day. The government will decide what if you do with you. But when you can't surrender, we say, well, I be going to support Ambao, I be supporting Keku. I don't can surrender myself for you. No, say, I be give 200,000, give 100,000, give for. I always want to do them. That's why they fear no man will tell you. That's also some government work and they do them. Take money for poor innocent civilian. Because the name of struggle, because they don't get some power, they know will go for the country. This country now all we. Me, I get right for the country. I'm a Cameroonian. My country. This, I'm a Cameroonian, born and bred Cameroonian. Despite the fact of anything, this is my country. And at times I get the amnesty, so I get the right for the country. Cameroon get freedom of speech. I get the right, and any man get the right to respect your authority. Respect them. Respect the military. Respect your authorities. Give them the respect. It's not easy for carry that gun, go fight. Military man, it's not easy for carry that gun, for protect you, for die for your head. But I want to tell you, say, that's why you can't say, I want to die for your civilian head, because I think that we swear in. Work now, the work, God will bless you. No check na money. Because one follow money go down, because when I know that they do them, I know all now. I all name the days of the list. Now be very careful. Just go. I don't pass at all. I know how to go do them. Now be very careful. I don't do that nonsense. But people must be free for this nonsense. But I know that all the kind of massive array will make people enter the struggle. Where King Yoka talk for here. May the Cameroon secret police take note of this. I already tell them what to do and how to do. I'm a boy. I don't tell them how to surrender. Normally they kill you. You get an amnesty. If you feel about it, remember the bush should die. That's two different things. Then where you get a choice. Nobody they force you. No human being they force you. So thank you very much, my country people. I just might tell them, give that one for that people. Say, man, now why that way I just might talk with us, put some sense for una help una understand. Say, military, the bad mentality where the people for diaspora for una brain about the Cameroon government. No be so it be. The worst more than the Cameroon government 100 times because they kill you every day. Amber versus Amber. They picking and not say they die every day. So thank you very much, my country people. Share for any place if you share. Do anything if you do, will save your country from this nonsense. Thank you very much, my country people. May God bless you now. As you know, my country, man, Clovis. I stand for my people. I must fight for my people. I stand for my country, Cameroon. I must save my country from terrorism. Yes, because I love my country. I will ever die. If I go die for the process, then so be it. That one is my own sacrifice I don't do for my country. I know my own sacrifice I don't do for my people. My own sacrifice I don't do for my Amber boy for bush. Where they die every day. Where they will sit sending up there, they sit sending up there for me after. But I understand, say need my enemy. But don't tell me, say anyone take a personal, it tell me take a personal. It's very normal. Because I don't get no intention for kill some person. I don't ever life for person die. Now when you see me, I decide for the first place I talk for the kind of place, to put my name, put my voice, make people the same. Hundreds don't surrender, they did their own side. Because they don't get the passion, they get their own psychological mentality, they think. But me, I get the love for my people, I get the love for my brothers. Now when I decide to take this risk, to do it at the door, because I understand. Because they find me, they find this in a small. That nonsense is small. They are stand for my people. I love my people, I love my brothers. Now what I want to make them understand, say, I don't come for front. If I leave them for back, it means I'm a very bad person. If I leave them for back, I'm a very bad thing. Now why I don't come for front, for call them, they follow me. Why you go follow me here? They integrate on a friend every day. Me I don't say Amazon boys, I don't tell small secret, no. I just out down for now. You visit Cameroon government, the boy level international at the door. They don't come in numbers. Thank God they will come and talk to so. They don't call me you come for peace, they integrate your brother, they better their life, they contribute for the development of the country. You do it for bush because you be terrorist, you be thief man, and a true way day. Because better person know they for the country because the government don't call you say come. He don't forgive you, give you amnesty, you know one come, you make your money there, you say maybe they do how. Thank God they way my brother, no man will beg you again. No. To tell you if you come and phone, I know if you pick up. I don't tell you. Because God knows I don't try my best. I don't tell you now. The one that don't come out, thank God for they hear me every day they come out. Yes. And then I thank this authorities where they take them to treat them very well. I appreciate. I thank you now. Because my most important thing is to be safe. My important thing is to come out every day. First batch, don't integrate first batch. Second batch, they can be integrated to again. They can't come on, so they because they go through that process. Look at say no go be a threat to society. But thank God say when you pass through the art center, you must be a perfect person in life. Who don't understand say all human beings know they are the same. Any human being get a character. And no say for the play they say your character they make you come out fast. They are hobby, their fashion. No be na prison, no be na anything way bad. Na place where Didi are they under Minister of Territorial Administration. No be na military running and civilian running. You get your freedom. You get your thing for do your thing. You get your freedom. You do you fine. So and that one I say fear every day. What a madness! People they see me every day for inside the boy at toss of him are free. Most of them they be aware they salon me, they feel free talk, ton. So when they see me around, they doubt. Can't use to go. Can't say they lie. Say hey, they will kill you. I do that. Can't lie them. Now other people they see me make money and all now will talk to people. Some people they when they see the boy for road, they turn down. So that say boy, you now look out. I see tell you I don't for play. My connection plenty. As we talk with some person about this struggle, the person will come back for me. I get plenty connection. And I make sure say any two I talk can maybe the right. We can talk out of experience. And then talk to you, some person don't tell me now, no different nonsense. We know they out for settle cause, but they out for solve the problem. If I call your name, now for you for check two things, either I go join for bush or you go surrender for government. I will surrender for government, say don't surrender. Any man ask you 50 francs, say you will support Amber. Say you may bribe, may give, may come out. Tell you say they give 50, just cause your brother. Tell you say don't go report yourself today. Mojo understands the person there for police station. That commissioner, that colonel, that general, that DO, that edge, that governor go do that nonsense. He go no say the country now all we know me say there for that place. And we put it for that place, may protect the country. He must protect the integrity of this country. Work according to the way to for school. And for protect life and property of citizens. You get your amnesty, no man will worry you. That's what the thing did. So thank you very much. God bless you, my country people.